Good morning, everyone, especially to you, sir. So this is my reporting video about my understanding in our topic, especially in chapter one. So first is introduction. Sets context with problem, condition, rational background, goals, local if needed, and links to problem statements. Next is statement of the problem as a general statement followed by clear, researchable, interrogative specific questions. Next is assumption and hypothesis. Assumptions are self-evident truths common in non-experimental studies. Hypotheses are tentative answers. Version affirms different. Null this is more. Significance of the study. Explain value via relevant solution, beneficiaries, knowledge contribution, and implicant. Next is the definition of terms. Defines only terms with special meanings, operational or conceptual. Spell out acronyms. Next is scope and delimitation. Specifies purpose, subjects, locale, population, period, notes, unavoidable limitations. And last is conceptual framework. Theoretical guide from literature diagram is or diagrams always included.